Strategy for beginners. Now, if you look at the strategy for beginners, okay, if you look at the strategy for beginners, okay, the first is NCERTs. Now, students, remember, I will ask you, how many of you really follow NCERTs? NCERTs are very important, but only 11th and 12th class NCERT. Don't read 6th to 10th. It can be avoided. I'm not saying 6th to 10th is not good, but it can be avoided. Start with the base building, focus on NCERTs, try to cover in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, whatever. But cover them in a time-bound manner. You can, 3 months, I'm just saying randomly, but you can cover it between 3 to 6 months. So you can have a timeline for 3 to 6 months. 3 से 6 महीने में आपको NCERT cover करना है. That is what you have to keep in mind. After this, covering NCERT, you will have to follow the test on the NCERTs also. Following the NCERT also requires you to follow previous year question. आप previous year question को भी regular देखिए. If you are covering, let's say you're covering Parliament of India. So when you're covering Parliament of India, look at the previous year questions of Parliament of India and see whether you can solve it or not. If you are following economic concepts, national income, budget, see the questions that are coming so that you understand the requirements of UPSC, and that is how your effort would move. So first is base building NCERT and start developing your current affair understanding. Start reading newspapers, very important. At least important stuff. Try to understand what is going on in the country, understand economy, basics of polity, basics of environment or geography for that matter. So you need to understand that part very thoroughly. Agar aapka basic strong hai, and I'm saying this again, today's prelims are different than 10 years ago's prelims. In 13, 14, 15, prelims was relatively easy. Today, the current part is not coming. And even if the current is coming, it is very difficult to cover them. So if your statics and basics are ready, you can crack it. And NCERTs are very important for your thought process building also, your understanding, and your concepts are very strong. Aapka concept agar strong hoga, UPSC is, you are going to make it. But if you're running around summaries and pointers and shortcuts, that will not work. Unfortunately, on YouTube and different areas, you are looking at a lot of short points, flow charts, diagrams. It is okay to read them, but follow your basics first. Achha, one more thing guys, don't forget to follow the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel you get regular inputs. Okay? Then after the NCERT, aapka jab NCERT ready ho jayega, what is the next level? You move to the syllabus, right? So next is that you move to syllabus, and when you move to syllabus, the syllabus should be covering in a structured manner. So starting mein NCERTs, start with economy and polity. If you're a person starting from zero, start with polity and economy. And if you're already doing it, make sure polity economy is ready. Why? Because it is current based. Whatever current affair you come across, they mainly come from polity, economy, social issues, governance. So moment you cover polity, economy, the most of the current area you are thorough with that. Then topics like science and tech and maybe geography might also come, environment might also come, but they are few. So start with polity, economy, that is the first thing. And always follow standard books. Don't go for summary of notes. Once your basics are clear, then you can go for summary and pointers, but not before than that. Okay? Previous year questions are very important for following that. And you can follow one newspaper, just one newspaper.